Do you need a new email account? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create one in less than 5 minutes. No confusion, no stress. You are welcome to Joruth Academy, and I'm John Appiah. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account in simple steps. Step 1. Let's go to our browser, and then the address bar, let's type gmail.com, and then you click on create account. Then you select for my personal use. Now step 2, you're going to enter your details. So you enter your first name, and then you enter your last name, which is optional. Then you click on next. You enter your date of birth, then you select your gender, then hit on next. Then at this stage, you're going to enter your username. So your username here will be your email address. Then you click on next. Enter a strong password, then you confirm the password, then hit on next. Then at this stage, you need to confirm that you're not a robot. So you're going to enter a phone number here, and they will send you a code of which you are going to use to confirm. So just enter your phone number. A 6-digit code has been sent. Just go to your phone, get the SMS, and then you enter the Gmail account code here. So now step 3, we are going to add a recovery email. So recovery email is basically an email that will help you to recover your account in case you lost your password or you lost your account details. So you're going to enter any email account. It can be your previous email account or your existing email account. Then you hit on next. But in my case, I'm going to skip this particular section here. Then you click on next again. The next step is you are going to read through the privacy and terms of Google or the Gmail account, and then you confirm or you agree. So you just click on agree. You scroll down to the last section, then click on agree. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, now your email account or Gmail account is now ready for use. So if this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick computer tutorials. And please don't forget to share this video for others to also benefit. Thank you for watching.